is Joseph Estate. It's one of our estates. You can see that the whole place has been cleared. Something is about to explode here. Like I said earlier, I don't know what you are still waiting for. Please, you better hurry now because it's almost sold out. It's almost sold out. You can see how massive the land is. It's almost sold out. Please hurry now. We have Dorcas Estate. And we also have Villa Estate. We have Johanna Estate. We have GRA. And we also have Wilfred Estate. Please, this particular estate, it is called Joseph Estate. You can see that the land is massive. Please hurry now and get yours before it will be too late. Very soon this land will be going for 20 million. And like I always remind you, don't forget what happened in Odili Road and Gulf Estate. Thank you.
Ooh, that is the boss of real estate. Yes, so that is the CEO of Mercy Homes and Properties. You don't hear now say, here where we stand like this now, Joseph Estate. And we get Villa Estate. We get Wilfred Estate. The estate plenty inside New Banana Highland. You they see them so now Mercy Homes and Properties they bring them for you. And this Joseph Estate like this, come collect your own plot. And the number to call is 090342965119.